So, do you love being outside as much as we do? Well, this time of year, the Hudson Valley is kind of almost at its finest. There's people that would argue that the fall is the better season, but it's pretty spectacular in the summer. So, one of the things that we do when we're not in the shop is we love to cook outside. And I thought I would talk about some great boards that are really helpful in terms of if you're going on a picnic, if you're just traveling out to the backyard, or you're going on a full-blown camping trip. These are great boards to have to help you along that culinary journey on the road. So first up, this is our reversible juice groove board. This is great because it's lightweight and it's great and easy to throw into that tote bag when you've got a lot of other stuff that you're carrying off to a picnic or your backyard or on a camping trip. This juice groove is great at catching and keeping that surface clean, and then you've got this great pour spout, so if you want to have those juices go into a specific pan or dish or something like that, this is a great one to go. Reversible juice groove board. What? It's so cute. I know. It's our mini butcher block. This is a great board because it's got a lot of might, but it's a little size. So it's great for if you're on a camping trip or you're heading out to the backyard and you need to do some heavy chopping. This is a great board for that. It's hugely popular for city apartments or just smaller kitchens, or you just want that easier to manage kind of hefty butcher block without all of that tonnage. The mega whalebone. This is great if you've got those long ribs that are coming hot off of a grill and there's some sauces and some juices happening. This is a great board for that. Our mega whalebone. The handle makes it so it's easy for that person to be standing by, ready to catch all that awesomeness. Then you've also got this backside that produces a nice, lovely flat surface where you can arrange all sorts of fruits, cheeses, whatever it is that you are just absolutely ravenous to have. Yes, you hear thunder. It's summertime. It must be Thor telling us this is the board. This is our end grain juice groove egg board. Yes, it's so cute, and it is perfect for putting a nice sized steak or chicken on. And again, there's a juice theme here. There's a great juice groove on this one too. So this is a wonderful board, and because it's got that end grain surface, you can really do some pretty heavy duty cutting here as well and have that support that you need. And of course, it's portable, goes great in that tote, and is great to take out to the backyard as well. Are you ready for something very mighty? This is our sloped juice groove board. This is a board that is a great if you are doing a lot of food prep and need a stable, wonderful surface. This is a great board for that. It's got these lovely little pillowed edge soft edges. You can also obviously bring this to the table for people to get everything they need on, and it's super sturdy and a beast to help you grill side, table side, backyard, pool. So one other quick reason why it's great to add a hardwood cutting board to your culinary repertoire, whether it's inside or outside, is that wood does not contain plastics. It will not transfer to your food in a way that will hurt you or your family. And it is a material that is literally something you can continually bring back as you use it, and then there's wear and tear and all of that. Choosing a hardwood cutting board in maple, cherry, or walnut is really one of the best ways to invest in your kitchen in something that's both for the long-term health of you and your tools and your family.